Alright, first let's set the document size. You can go to File, Document Properties, and I want to change this dash to this white color and with no border, so it's like you can draw freely. Okay, now with pencil, press B, or you can click this icon, the pencil, and start to draw a liquid shape. Okay, you see when you move there is some that green line. So what I mean is this, because you turn on this snapping, so make it off, and now you can draw freely. This is really good for practice if you want to master the pencil on Inkscape. Right, you can click and drag to the start point, and let's swap the fill color to stroke. So you can go to here, right click, choose swap fill and stroke, and on the fill, right click, just remove fill. So all you see only this line, and we're going to give the color later. Alright, then you can continue to add 5 or 6 layers to it. You can always undo with Ctrl Z. And connect it to the first node. Click and drag. Okay, continue. Create more. Okay, no sharp node. So to edit this, you can go to this node tool and click this icon, make selected node to symmetric. So the sharp line will remove. And continue with pencil again. And still you can modify this line by going to this node tool or the shortcut F2 or N. Drag the handle, or you can just delete it on the keyboard, press delete button, and you can double click to drag and make the node curve, and this too, and this too. One, two, three, four. I want to add 2 more. And 1 more. Right. I'm pressing F2 or click this node tool and make it no sharp lines. Alright. Nice. And this time let's give some color, some monochromatic color. What I mean is the color in the same range. So let's start with the alright, now let's give some blue color. So I click this alter shape color, and let's change to this blue color from Inkscape by default. Can click it, that's the color code, click. Alright, and for this, just click beside it because it's monochromatic color. We can turn down the lightness, so we only play with the lightness, that's the monochrome color mean. And for the shape, can use the dropper tool to select the previous color, click the color and reduce the lightness. Okay, and for this layer number 4, in fill and strokes tab, just click flat color and select the previous color, and you can turn down the opacity and continue. Select all, then right click, choose remove stroke. And now let's give some drop shadow effect. By selecting all, again go to filter, again shadow, choose the drop shadows. Okay, you can turn on this live preview to see what happened. Okay, and let's change the mode to inner. And of course you can change the vertical and horizontal. I keep it by like -3. Okay, just fine. Nice position. Keep it by -3. 3 with -4. Hit apply, then close. Alright. You still can adjust the shape with the node tool. Press F2 or the shortcut is N, and click the shape that you want to modify and move the handle. And this too, the inner. Just feel free to modify it. Okay, now with pen tool, add some elements. Okay. And let's change the color to the inner one and give some drop shadow effect. You can modify it, hit apply, make the stroke to inner, hit apply, then close. Alright, continue to add more. Maybe on this. And select the inner color code, press D to activate the dropper tool. Go to filters, choose the drop shadows, and activate the live preview. You can adjust it. Okay, hit apply, then close. Continue to add more with the pen tool. Press P and draw to the inner. The color to this inner one. Okay, modify the shape a little. Get to filter, drop shadows, and give this live preview to see what happened. Apply and close. And continue to add more. Now let's add some more elements outside the shape. Press P and draw a shape. Alright. And draw inner one. And let's change the color to this color with D dropper tool. Okay, and this inner one you still can modify the shape with F2 and move the handle. Alright, add a file by going to File, Import, and I choose this Swiss vector. Double click, click OK, and scale it up by holding Ctrl Shift. Let's convert it to path if you're lazy to draw like me with a trace bitmap. So click the image, go to path, choose trace bitmap, and you can adjust this, but this black and white color just leave it by default and apply and move. So this is the image, just delete it, and this, if you press F2 it's editable. That means you can edit it. And now we're going to split this object, become one by one. Go to path, choose split path. Okay, change color to white and hold Ctrl Shift to make a proportional scale, and these two move and change the color to white and hold Ctrl Shift to create a proportional scale. And now give some drop shadow, so click the fish and go to filter, shadow and glows, choose the drop shadows, and you can adjust it. Don't forget to change it to alter, and you can increase the blur radius, horizontal and vertical offsets. Apply it and close, and these two. Right now for the color, let's import it by going to File, Import, and I adjust this. Alright, same steps. Go to path, trace bitmap, and just leave it by default and click apply and move. So hold Ctrl Shift and delete this image because there's nothing you can do with it. Just delete it. Okay, and make this 6 become separate by going to path, choose split path. Okay, and move. Hold Ctrl Shift, and I want to change the color same as the face, the white color. And this, press press D and click. Okay, and this, just make some nice arrangement. Can rotate it and change the color. Okay, you can add more shape with Bezier tool and change the color to inner and give some shadow and glows, just the drop shadows. This is the preview. And don't forget to change it to inner. Use the blur and adjust the horizontal and vertical offset. Apply then close. Okay, you still can adjust it. And now let's turn back the canvas. If you want to export it, by going to File, Document Properties, and change it to some this gray color. Alright. Now you can see the canvas, and don't forget to activate the border and close. And you can select all and hold Ctrl Shift to scale it down, make it fit to the canvas. Okay, now with the page tool, you can adjust. I want to adjust to 1:1 ratio. Histogram square. So just select all with page tool and on here you can find the Instagram. Just type it, this size. Okay, click and select all, move it to in the middle and scale it up. Alright, let me change the color again before I finish it. That's the key if you want to create a paper cut or effect. Don't forget to add the drop shadow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.